Dan, you gotta buckle up too in the seatbelt.
We can let you go without the seatbelt, but there's no motion.
And I need to buy me studs. I want to buy me studs tomorrow because I lost my studs. I got one pair left.
Sure.
What do I do?
No, it's coming up.
I'm gonna start now.
Yeah.
Once you see the counter start, it's time to go.
You can use the brakes, Dan, too. Okay, now you want to stand on it. You got 40. Yeah, you got 49. Pretty good.
Huh?
Good job.
It's hard to get it. I did one of the racetrack. I actually had to.
Bit video here while we're.
San Francisco.
San Francisco, California. Here, Dan, can you check the bag here again? There, don't lose that. Okay, I'm with you. Huh? What?
You go to the Chevys, they got good hamburgers.
No. I'd rather go down to Saratoga down there.
Really?
Saratoga, right off.
They close by the time we get there.
No, they're open until like 1.
1 in the morning?
Yeah. Trust me. I've been there plenty of time. Oh, here comes a fire truck.
Something's cold. It's green. Let's make it across.
We can.
To the seconds.
Oh shit. They're backing in. That's where their station is. Yeah, I don't want to go in there. It's too busy in there. God,